Hello and welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Today we'll take a look at conditional formatting. We're just going to do a really quick example here. So we're going to select our desired range, numerical, and we're going to adjust it to fit this key here based on certain criteria. So on your main tab you'll see conditional formatting. Go down and select manage rules. So from here we can add multiple rules and we'll manage it in one box. Now you can select a new rule. Go here and select the second option, format only cells that contain, and we'll be doing this 3 times. So the first time we're going to say cell value is less than 70, which we see over here. Format, if you go to fill and we select orange, and that's all we needed there, say OK. There's our first rule. Second rule, we'll do a new rule, select the second option. Now the cell value is going to be between, it looks like it's going to include 70. And it's actually going to be one less than 85 because it's not inclusive of this. We'll do 84, format, and now the fill, it looks like it's a light green. We'll put that in there, say OK. OK there, that's the second rule. And the third rule, format only cells that contain. Cell value, it looks like it's going to be greater than or equal to. It's inclusive there, say 85, format, and it looks like it's the dark green, plus the font here is in bold. So you can see you got multiple options to format to your liking. And that's what we've chosen here. Say OK. Those are the 3 rules. If you hit apply now, it'll adjust it for the table. Say OK there. And that's a really quick example of conditional formatting. Thanks for watching.